How to participate in the Zeos Airdrop. In the crypto and blockchain world, various projects use the airdrop system, which is a distribution of project tokens, following different instructions that, once completed by the user, will result in obtaining new tokens of the project. In this guide, we will see how to participate in the new airdrop related to the Zeos project, a project that allows you to obtain the benefits of privacy, combined with the power of blockchain and its versatility. And we will see how to obtain the new tokens linked to this project. What is Zeos? First of all, let's start with the Zeos project, born several years ago on another project called Pios, which planned to use the Monero protocol but within a smart contract. This project was abandoned due to its difficulty, and the idea was later continued by other developers, but this time using the Zcash protocol. And that's how Zeos was born, a project that leverages Zcash's privacy protocol, all within a dedicated smart contract. And it's as if it were an emulator of the Zcash blockchain that allows not only private transfers, but also more interesting projects such as those related to decentralized finance, DeFi, the new Zeos Airdrop. This is not the first time an airdrop of Zeos tokens has been done, as the first was done to Pios token holders. And with these tokens, it was possible to test the related protocol in demo and verify the power of this protocol. In fact, these tokens act as gas for the protocol itself, where it's possible to convert your tokens into this token and then use it within the protocol. For example, if I need to transfer $100, I can convert them to Zeos, transfer them, and then convert them back to another token. How to participate in the new airdrop? To participate in the new airdrop, which we remind you can be done until the end of August 2024, you will need to have Zeos tokens and transfer them to the smart contract that will burn the related tokens and mark the amount. In a second phase, it will be opened to insert the blockchain address to which the new tokens will be sent. Conclusions. The Zeos project has evolved over time, and the various prototypes released have excited the community, and now it is in the final stages of a journey that has lasted years, and that this year will lead to the birth of a revolutionary project that technically could be brought to various blockchains. If you are fascinated by how blockchain and NFTs are transforming the world and want to know more, you can't miss this exclusive video. Click now to find out more about this revolution and stay up to date on the latest trends and innovations in the sector.